Check it out, y'all. We're down here below my compost heap. It's the same compost heap that I used to make, well, to make my greenhouses warm. And look what I found down here. These mushrooms right here, actually, well, let me see if I can pick them up for you. There you can see the body of the mushroom and its hood, fly attracting hood. Here you can see the egg of the mushroom right here. Okay, let me show you one more. They're a little gooey. Oh, it's so foul. Here's one. Look at that. Look at that. I just scraped off the side. Y'all want to know something crazy about this? See that? That's edible. I wouldn't eat it. I wouldn't recommend eating it. These are edible. The eggs are edible. Probably more in here. Yeah, there's plenty more in here. And this right here, that gooey stuff right there, it really stinks. It attracts flies. They come to this mushroom, and it's the fly that moves the spores around. So I'm gonna pitch this into the forest because it smells really, really bad. Y'all know what this is called? Tell me in the comments. No, I can't leave everybody who doesn't know what it's called hanging. This is the fabled stinkhorn mushroom. Yeah, they're all over the world as far as I know. But it's a mutualist as far as I am concerned. And I often find them growing near my sweet potatoes. And those sweet potatoes tend to be some of the best quality sweet potatoes. They're a little bit smaller, but they're some of the best quality sweet potatoes. So if you happen to see this, don't be afraid. It smells really bad, and that's going to be your first clue that it's around you. And once you smell that, you'll know where it is. It'll draw you right to it. But peace, goodwill, God bless. Y'all enjoy your gardens.